Hello dear children. Children, today we will draw the picture of a parrot. Okay. First of all, you will make an oval, but this oval will be flat from one side. Okay. Flat from one side and round from the other side. Can you see this? Flat from one side and round from the other side. Okay. Now from the center of this line we will make a slant line and then make a curved line. Okay, now this will be a big curve. Okay, make a curved line for the beak. Now from the center of this line here we will make a curved line till this oval. Now this is the beak. Now since we are making the side face of the parrot, so we will make only one eye. So oval, and this is the black part of the eye, the pupil. Under this we will make one more oval. And then make a curved line here. Now, where we have started the oval, where this oval joins the face, from here we will make a slant line. Now, this slant line will be of the same size as this oval. Okay. It can be a little above, but not too much above. Okay. Same size as the oval, and then make a zigzag line. From here again make a slant line of the same size and then make a zigzag line. Now the top part is finished. Now touching this oval we will make two sleeping lines. This is the branch on which this parrot is sitting. Here we will make the claws, one side and second side. You can also make this leg. Okay, and then just under this we will make a deep V. This is the tail. You can also make one more line in this tail. So our parrot is complete. Happy drawing, children.